Today we're back out here at the Enclave at Potranco Oaks. And if you saw my last video, you'll know that Texas Home is the exclusive home builder here in this neighborhood. Now, what I want to do here for you today is highlight one of their inventory homes that is currently for sale. This home in particular is Plan 1977, and in this tour, I want to give you the opportunity to see what the home offers without it being fully furnished. Now, this is a beautiful home, and I can't wait to show you what the inside looks like. My name is Ruiz, your San Antonio real estate agent, and if you're looking to move to San Antonio, I would love to assist you in any way I can and just be a resource of information for you. Now, before we take a look inside, feel free to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell as I'll be putting out new property tours each week. Now, let's go ahead and take a look inside. Today we're going to be looking at Plan 1977 by Texas Homes. Now this home is 1,977 square feet and features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. This award-winning home builder has several inventory homes available for a quick move-in at reduced prices. So if you're looking to move into one of these beautiful homes, this is a great opportunity to be able to save some extra money in the process. These homes also include a covered patio, full sod, and a zoned sprinkler system. If you're interested in this home or any other homes that this community has to offer, feel free to reach out. My contact information is on the screen above and in the description below, and I hope you enjoy this tour.